When you first create your Claritee account, you're going to have one workspace, and when you invite users to collaborate with you, they're going to have access to that workspace. Now, if you get invited to join Claritee, you're going to have access to the workspace of whoever invited you, and you're also going to have your own workspace. So generally speaking, you can stay inside the main workspace that you or your company or team work inside of. You can also create new workspaces, of course, depending on your plan level. It's important that you create a project and room inside the right workspace that you actually have a paid plan for, if you have a paid plan, and that way you have access to all the features there. So if you were invited to a project and you create projects inside your own workspace, you're not going to be able to have the same features unless you upgrade that workspace as well. So just make sure you're aware of which workspace you're working inside of with the rest of your team. And usually it's quite simple. You'll just have one workspace that you and your company will work inside of.